Good morning, friends. Let us continue the paper. Here we have two questions regarding permutations and combinations. Okay, let's see what it is. A committee of five members is to be formed out of five males, six females, and three children. How many different ways it can be done? This is a combination problem. We are not worried about the order. Right, these are five males. Of these five males, we have to pick two males, which is 5C2. And out of six females, we have to pick two females, which is 6C2. And out of three children, uh, we have to do it with one, right? Okay. Of three children, we have to pick one. 5C2 into 6C2 into um, 6C2 into 3C1. We know what is factorial, right? We know what is 5C2. 5C2 means 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, right? This is 5 into 4 by 2 is 10. 5C2 is 10. Similarly, 6C2 is equal to 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 2 factorial, 4 factorial. 4 factorial will be removed. That means 6 into 5 by 2 is 15. Right? 6C2 is 15. 3C1 is equals to 3. So the answer is actually 10 into 15 into 3 is 450. Right? This is the answer. We know how to calculate combinations, right? 5C2 is equal to 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Cool. Next, the committee should include all the three children. All the three children means 3C1. Okay, there is one way in which 3C3. 3C3 is 1. There's only one way. Then 11C2. What is 11C2? 9 factorial into 2 factorial into 9 factorial, right? That means 11 into 10 by 5 equals 55. Okay, sorry, 11 into 10 by 2 equals 55. Right? 3C3. 3C3 is 1. 11C2 is equal to 55. Okay. It has to include all the three children. So 3C1. Then it is not considering, it is not saying anything about how many males, how many females. Right? So that means for among the five candidates, three should be children. Right? Those three are gone. Remaining two, we have to pick from this 5 plus 6, 11. So 11C2. And this 3C3, anyway, we have to pick. Only two slots are available for male and females. That is 11C2. 11C2 into 3C3. This is fixed. 3C3 is 1. So the question is actually three children, anyway, we have to pick. There's only one way of picking all the three children. Into how many ways we can pick two out of the remaining 11. So the answer is plainly 11C2. We can even ignore 3C3, which is anyway what? 11C2. 11C2 is 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 9 factorial. Okay, that means 11 into 10 by 2 equal to 11 into 5 equals 55. This is the answer. Okay, now 30 men can complete a work in 36 days. How many days can 18 men complete the same work? 30 men in 36 days. Okay, 30 men in 36 days. That means what is the total man days? 30 into 36. 36 days, 30 people will work. That will finish the work. This is the total amount of work that is needed. Now, instead of 30 men, only 18 will work. So 30 into 36 by 18. This is the answer, right? Answer equals to 60. This is the correct answer. Right? You understood this problem, right? 36 days and 30 men. So what is the total work? 36 days into 30 men. 30 men were working for 36 days. So total work days is 30 into 36. It will take 30 into 36 days to complete the work. Okay, 30 into 36 man days. Now only 18 men are there. So 30 into 36 by 18 will give the number of days that they have to work. Simple, right? Now, Ram spends 50% of his monthly income. So this question, earlier question, this is also very easy question, less than 30 seconds. This also less than 30 seconds. This also less than 30 seconds. All questions that we found out are very easy questions. We should not lose time here. Okay. Similarly, this is also very easy question. Ram spends 50% of his monthly income on household items, 50, then 20, then 5, and the remaining 20% on monthly income on buying clothes, 50 plus 20, 70, plus 5% on medicine, 75%, and the remaining 25% is 11,250. That 20% of something is 11,250. That means what is his income? 4 into 11,250 is 45,000. Right? 25% of something is 11,250. That means 1 by 4 of x. 1 by 4 of x equal to 11,250. X equals to 11,250 into 4. It's 45,000. Okay. Now, the number obtained by interchanging the two digits of a two-digit number is lesser than the original number by 54. If the sum of the two digits of the number is 12, then what is the original number? This is an interesting problem. We should know how to attack these problems. First, we'll assume a number is x, y. Okay, a number is xy. When you say any two-digit numbers in the form of x and y, what does that mean? That number is actually 10 times x plus y. Right? So, for example, what is 23? 23 is 2 into 10 plus 3. Right? Is 23. What is 78? 78 is 7 into 10 plus 8 is 78. Okay, any two-digit number xy is equal to 10x plus y. Right? Now, what is saying? If the numbers are interchange, that means if it is yx, then the number would be 10y plus x, right? If it is 32, 10 into 3 plus 2. Okay. 72 is interchanged to 27. What does that mean? 10 into 7 plus 2 versus 2 into 10 plus 2. Like this, right? So he is given this, the numbers are interchanged like this. 10x plus y, instead of 10x plus y, it has become 10y plus x. Okay, 10x plus y has become 10y plus x equal to 54. Let's try to solve this. 10 minus x is 9x plus y minus 10y equal to 9y. 9x minus 9y equal to 54. That means x minus y equal to 6. 9 6 are 54, right? X minus y equal to 6. At the same time, what is saying? Sum of the two-digit numbers is 12. X plus y is 12 is already given. X minus y equal to 6, x plus y equal to 12. So that means 2x equal to 18, 2x equal to 18, x equals 9. If x equals 9, y should be 3. X minus y equal to 6. Y equals 3. So that means the number is 93. 93 minus, for example, 39, right, is equal to 54, which is what that is given. Right, 54 plus 39. 54 plus 40 is 94. And minus 1, which is 39, minus 1 is equal to 93. Okay, this is also an easy problem. Only trick is to write this equation correctly. If you are able to write this equation, right? If you are able to write this equation, then we are done. 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equal to 54. This equation and this equation anyway we know. So this is an easy problem. At present, Geeta is 8 times her daughter's age. 8 years from now, the ratio of ages of Geeta and her daughter will be 10:3. Okay, right now, let's assume Geeta's daughter is X. Then what is Geeta? Geeta is 8X. Okay, after 8 years, what will be Geeta's daughter? After 8 years, it will be Geeta's daughter will be X plus 8. What will be Geeta? 8X plus 8. Right, after 8 years. Now it is 8X. Now her daughter is X. After 8 years, 8X plus 8. So what is given? 8X plus 8 by X plus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. We can solve this, right? This is 8X plus 8. We'll do the cross multiplication. 24X plus 24 is equal to 10X plus 80. 24 minus 10, 14X is equal to 50, 56. X equals to 4, right? X equals to 4. So that means current daughter says is 4 and Geeta says is 4 plus 8, 12. After 8 years, her daughter would be 12 and she would be 20. Sorry, her age is 4. Geeta's age would be 8 times that of daughter. 4 is 32, right? 4 and 32. After 8 years, it would be 12 and 40. 40 by 12 is equal to 10 by 3. This is the correct answer, right? What is Geeta's current age is 32, right? This is also an easy problem. Only thing is we will be able to write this equation 8x plus 8 by x equal to 10 by 3. This equation. This is an easy problem, right? In how many different ways can four boys how many different ways can four boys and three girls be arranged in a row so that all four boys stand together and all the girls stand together? What he's saying, then it should be like boy, 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 girl, girl, girl. Either this way or girl, 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 boy, 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 boy. Right? Only two ways. Now, these four boys can be arranged in 4 factorial and three girls can be arranged in 3 factorial. And then either boys first or girls first, which is 2 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial, which is equal to 288. When do we write 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, right? 4 3 is 12, 24, 72, 144, 288, right? We should be able to do all these calculations very quickly. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2. 4 is 12 into 2, 24. Into 3, 72. Into 2, 144. Into 2, 288. 288 is the correct answer. Now, what approximate values will come in place of question mark? In the following questions, they are not expected to calculate the exact value. Here, these are also very easy problems. We should never miss any marks here also. 9248 plus whatever minus 5021 plus whatever plus this. We just need to directly simplify 9220 minus 9220 9230, right? 9230. You just need to, this is a very simple calculation. 9230, we just simplified this 5021, 5020 and 1496, we simplified it as 1500. All three together will give 5710. So the answer is The one that is closest to this is 5700. This is the correct answer. 1002, 1002 by 50 and into 99 minus 1300. 1002 by 50 is 1002 by 49. This is equal to 20. 20 into 99, 2000. 20 into 100, 2000 minus 1300. Right? This is 700. 700 is the correct answer. 29% of 260. We'll directly assume as 30% of 360. 30% of 360 plus 60% of 510. 60% of 510 is 60% of 510 minus 104. 30% of 260. 326 is 78, right? 60 plus 18, 78. Plus 60% of 510. 651 is 306. Minus 104. 304 minus 104 plus 78. This is 280. Right? This is also very easy problem. 280. 280 is the correct answer. Next one. 21.98 square minus 25 square plus 13 square. Just simplify this. 22 square is 484 minus 25 square is 625 plus 13 square is 169. Right? This is equal to 653 minus 625, which is equal to 28. This is the correct answer. Root of 25 into root of 625 into root of 19 root of 100. This is what 5 into 25 into 10. Sorry, this is actually 6.25. 5 into 5 into 2.5 into 10. This is equal to 125. Right? 50 into 2.5 is 125. See, these are all again very easy problems. All of these. So in this entire series, entire previous question paper, we did not come across many hard questions. All are easy questions only. Just summarizing all of this. This is simple permutation combination question. You just need to know how to write this equation, how to take combination. And this is also very easy question. This is also very easy question, right? Completing work. How many can complete in how many days? This is also very easy question. 25% of salary is this much. What is the total salary? Here, this is little tricky. We just need to know how to write the correct equation. Any given number, xy, two-digit number, how will you write in this format? If it is three-digit number, how will you write? If it is x, y, z, then 100 into x plus 10 into y plus z. This is how we will write, right? If it is three-digit. If it is four-digit, then 1000 into x plus y plus z plus p, whatever. Okay? Here, this is also little tricky. You just need to know how to write the correct equation. Current base is x, then mother says would be 8x. After 8 years, it will be 8x plus 8 for daughter says. Mother says would be 8x plus 8. Then the fraction is given as 10 by 3. You just need to just solve the equation. This is another easy problem. 4 boys, 3 girls in two different, all boys together. So all boys together 4 factorial, all girls together 3 factorial, and boys first or girls first is 2 factorial, which is 288 answer. These are also plain simple calculation questions. Right. Hope you have understood this. We have reached the 70 questions. Now only English is left. We'll take up this English questions in the next session. Cool, guys. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.